Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by setting the account context, business manager, linked page, and billing. Choose one clear objective. This is the only way to focus optimization. Once done, create an ad account if needed and install the Facebook pixel on your site, then verify standard events like purchase or lead. Make sure to assign roles and grant permissions so you can act quickly. This first step reduces wasted spend and unlocks conversion reporting, so your next actions are data-driven rather than guesswork. You now construct the middle of the campaign, audiences and ads. Build custom audiences from website events and customer lists, then layer lookalikes at 1% for scale. Use exclusion rules to avoid overlap and test narrow interest slices. Assemble 3 creative variations: one video, one single image, one carousel, with clear headlines and a strong CTA. Once configured, set a sensible budget and conversion window. This lets delivery stabilize, and the system learn which combo drives the objective most efficiently. You launch and then observe. Allow the 3-7-day learning phase without major edits, because changes reset learning and hurt performance. Monitor CPA, ROAS, and conversion rate daily, and scale stable winners by increasing budget 20-30% increments. If you see no conversions, troubleshoot quickly. Verify pixel events fire correctly, confirm audience size is large enough, and ensure creative messaging matches landing page intent. Finally, iterate by pausing losers and doubling down on what the data proves works.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.